Tollywood actor Mahesh Babu is now facing legal trouble again due to his past endorsement of a real estate company. The Ranga Reddy District Consumer Commission in Telangana has issued notices to the actor regarding a complaint filed by a Hyderabad-based doctor. The doctor alleges that she was defrauded after paying rupees to 34.8 lakhs for a plot that didn't exist in a project promoted by Sai Surya Developers, a company Mahesh endorsed. The actor has been named as the third respondent in the cause, accused of promoting the firm and misleading buyers. Mahesh Babu and his team have yet to address the issue publicly. This is not the first time the actor has been linked to a controversy surrounding Sai Surya Developers. In April, the Enforcement Directorate (ED) questioned him in a money laundering case involving the company and Surana Group. According to reports, Sai Surya Developers owner Kanchalra Satish Chandragupta was facing a police probe for allegedly delivery default of a project named Green Meadows, where Mahesh Babu was the brand ambassador. The actor was reportedly paid rupees 5.9 crores for his endorsement, which raises questions about his involvement in this alleged scam. However, sources suggest that Mahesh may have endorsed the project without knowing about the alleged fraud. Mahesh Babu's film career has been thriving despite the controversy. He was last seen in the 2023 film Guntur Karam, which featured an ensemble cast including Prakash Raj, Ramya Krishnan and Sri Leela. The actor is currently shooting for S.S. Rajamouli's highly anticipated film SSMB 29, a jungle adventure movie that also stars Priyanka Chopra Jonas and Prithviraj Sukumaran. The film's story is penned by Vijendra Prasad and is expected to be an epic adventure similar to Indiana Jones. Mahesh Babu's involvement as a brand ambassador has now become a focal point in evaluating the broader implications of celebrity endorsements in advertising. This case underscores the potential risks faced by celebrities when promoting products of companies, especially when consumer grievances arise. As the legal process unfolds, the outcome may influence future regulations and responsibilities for endorsers, potentially affecting how celebrities engage in promotional roles. The Commission's notice signals a growing scrutiny over the responsibilities of public figures in commercial advertisements. This could lead to a stricter guideline on how the endorsements are conducted, ensuring that the consumers are not misled by the allure of celebrity influence. The evolving landscape of advertising may require celebrities to exercise greater caution. Do you think Mahesh Babu's reputation will be affected by the controversy, or will he emerge unscathed? Only time will tell. And for more such updates, don't forget to subscribe to FPJ Showbiz.